Okay guys, let me state first and foremost, this is not the proper Q&A video. Okay, so if you want to see a proper Q&A video, please comment below all the questions that you'd like to ask me. Comment as much question in the comment section below, and I'll definitely do a proper Q&A video just for you guys. Any question at all, any question, so you can leave them in the comment section below. Only in the comment section below, guys. Please don't email me, please don't WhatsApp me, please don't text me on Instagram. Comment in the comment section below any question you like to know about me, and I'll definitely answer every single one of them. So that will be the proper Q&A video. So yeah, thank you guys. Good morning everybody. I know it's been forever, but yes, your girl is back at you with a Q&A video. Yes, you heard right, a Q&A video. These questions are random, definitely. I don't know what question my audience will be throwing at me, but my audience is here. Hi audience, say hey! Okay, so as I said, I don't know what question, so these questions are surprising to me as they will be to you. This is not prep rehearse. I don't know what question will be coming at me, but I'll try my best to answer them as efficient as best as possible. Okay, so let's get into this video. We'll begin in 5. Let's jump right up in this Q&A video. I'm coming at you. Anyways, if I sound like I'm talking up in my head, guys, then I have the sinus. The allergies been acting up these days. I don't know what's going around in this atmosphere, but your girl has allergy. You know, I'm so sick these last days. I can't breathe. My eyes been itching. My throat sore. I've been spitting. Yeah, and as for this pimple right here and right all over, so for those be like, oh gross, our face is full of pimples, my body is going through a beautiful change, something beautiful be happening to this body. Hence, this is why I've been having this pimple all up in my face, all over my body. But anyways, let's jump into the Q&A. First question, anyone?
Me.
Yes?
What's your favorite color?
What's my favorite color? Okay, I'm not color blinded, but guys, my favorite color is black. Yes, black and navy blue. You know, a little story. I went out once to get something very cheerful, like a pretty pink color, because I wanted to wear like a pink blouse with, you know, my shorts and my sneakers, whatever. So I went to the store to get me a pink blouse. But when I look across, I saw this beautiful black blouse and I fell in love with it. Hence, I came home with something black again. Majority of my clothes are black or navy blue, guys. Do I own something pink?
No. A
sweater? Maybe a sweater. Do I own something red?
No, you don't like red.
Maybe a dress. I have like this club dress. Yeah. I don't have stuff in color. Do I hold something in orange?
Oh
no. But peeps, everything is just black or blue or some dark color. Or just one and two few items that's colorful. Next question. Yes.
Your leisure time.
I don't hear you.
What is your leisure time?
What I do in my leisure time or spare time? What's my hobby? Yeah, whatever. Okay,
You text.
Oh. Nobody nothing know that. But nothing knows that. We text now spare time. I do something very important. I read a book. I read books. Next.
You're little children.
Next.
Me?
Yes.
What's your favorite TV show?
What's
your favorite TV show?
Okay, I'm not a TV person per se. I don't really watch movie, but if I If I come in and the kids watching like a movie and I be like, what movie are you watching? Let me see. And if it's something interesting and it gravitate to me, I will sit and I watch that motherfucker till the end. But I'm not a movie person. Like I'll be like scrolling trying to find movies or anything like that. No, I'm a music person. You wanna see? You wanna see? Okay. Question, please.
Why are you so fat?
Why am I so fat? Do I look fat to you? This is fitness, darling. Fitness. Not because you're skinny and grudgeful. This is good fitness. I am fat because I nourish my body. I eat healthy. I eat healthy. Okay? So don't be 18 because you're skinny ass. Next.
Why? Every time you eat, that's why you get fat? Or slimmer?
I don't know. Why do you think I eat to be this fat? Why do you think I eat to be that? I know I'm greedy. I know I enjoy food, but goddamn, give a girl a break. I'm not fat.
Yes, you are.
I am thick. I'm thick. Next.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
There's so much things that I do that I don't think I have spare time. You know, with work, the family, the clubs, the this, the that. When I do have like a little spare time in the weekends, no, I just chill, yeah. Next.
Why don't you watch TV?
I do watch TV, but I'm mostly a music person. I feel the music coming on. Next question, please.
What is the plan for your future? What makes you happy?
I can't hear you.
What's the plan for your future? What makes you happy?
Okay, plans for my future. What makes me happy? Oh, okay. Good question. Alright, so the plan for my future, I wouldn't even say my future, but like for all of us future, you know, for the future of myself, my kids and my family, you know, I just want to put myself out there, you know, in the best way possible, you know, achieve my goals, you know, to be like financially independent, that I can meet the responsibilities, you know, meet my responsibilities, give my kids a good education, and, you know, at least give them the tools that they require, that they need to their advantage, that they can be the person they want to be. Well, then, so when we are plan God a wife, no so, but, you know, honestly, to just put this in just like, you know, a sentence, because there's so much words that I could use right now, and everything are going to detail or explain, but honestly I just want to be happy. So next question.
How many kids you have?
Huh?
How many kids you have?
I have 3 kids, 2 girls and a boy, and here's one of the boy, you know, my look-alike. Can you yourself? Yeah, so I have 2 girls, 1 boy, But the two girls don't look like me at all, so I'm not really pay them too much mind. But you know, my boy is my little like, yes, baby. I'm just kidding, you know. I love my girls dearly, especially my first daughter. She's a gem. I don't know what I would do to her. I love you, Brittany. Yeah. Next question.
What's your date of birth?
My date of birth. Well, I won't like give you my full date of birth, but I was born 24th of October. Is that good enough? So guys, I will link the person name in the description below. I can't really remember the name right now. I was trying to find it on my phone, but I can't. But I will link the person name in the description below. So this guy asked me what's my height. You know, because he said, on camera, I seem tall and sometimes I look short. So, yeah. Okay, so I am 5'1". I am 5 feet 1 inch. Yeah, so I'm short. I'm a shorty. Hey, shorty. Hey, shorty. Hey, shorty. Yeah, so I'm 5'1". Yeah. And again, my weight. Someone asked about my weight. My weight goes up and down. It's hard to explain. Yeah, shoot me, I know, but it's hard to explain. I will look at a motherfucking muffin and gain a pound. So my weight, it varies, guys. But now I'm weighing it at like 157 pound. Yeah. I think maybe over the weekend I gained 10 pounds. So you know, it's hot now. But I was weighing 157, but over the weekend I might have gained 10 pounds. Yeah. What other questions? Okay, somebody asked me about my routine, what I use on my face, on my skin, because they be like, oh, you seem to have nice skin. What I use on my skin and etc. When I'm not having a breakout, I really do have like really glowing skin. Whatever, but I think I naturally have the type of skin that I do have. You know, I've never bought anything special to use on my skin before, like never. And I'm not a fan of female product, guys. I am not a fan of female product. Most of my body product that I use are made for men, are labeled or titled men product, because the thing about men product, they smell way better. The scent lasts way longer, especially the deodorant, and shit like that. Like, I'm gonna show you a few of the male stuff that I have. Okay, so here. Oh, it's kind of messy, guys. It's in the bathroom now. It was in the bathroom. I'm currently using this right now. It's about finished. So this is this. And these are all male. Okay, if you see right here, say for men. So this is what I'm using, like right about now. This is what I'm using. And this, I started using it yesterday. And again, as you can see, yeah, it says men right here. So I like male product. I mean, I wish you guys could smell this. I mean, it smells so good. I mean, and also it gives the bathroom a really great fragrance after using it. I like male stuff. I'm not a girly type. Yes, I might wear lipstick, a little like eyeshadow. I might do my hair sometimes, which I really hate because I love my natural hair. These fucking hair itch my skin, itch my scalp, and I itch a lot in my scalp. So hence, this is why I really go natural a lot. But I do like male product more, you know. Yeah. So this is what's popping and what will be coming up next on this channel. Okay, so I got a LG G pad for my Christmas as a gift. I received it and been using it from the 26th of December. I've been using it from the 26th of December up until this current date. So I think it's overdue for a review. I think I've used it long enough to give a honest, decent review on it. So look out for that video. I'll be doing a review on the LG G Pad V521. So look out for that video. And also, comment in the comment section below, guys, if you would like to see my collection. I have a lot of collection. I have a lot of nail polish collection, which we here call in Jamaica Q-Tex. I have a lot of nail polish. I would like to do I call it you know, a video of showing my nail polish collection. And also, I don't know, but I have loads of slippers, guys. I have a lot of slippers. So if you want to see my slippers collection, if you want me to do a video and a try on of all my slippers, you know, comment in the comment section below and let me know. And also I have a lot of shoes also, like sneakers and stuff like that. I don't know why. I guess I'm not fussy or fancy about hairstyle. I'm not fancy about makeup or looking pretty, because I'm not girly. I don't care much about clothes per se. You know, I will wear anything as long as it's comfortable. I don't care about the brand or how it people might think it looks. As long as I feel comfortable in it, I wear it. So I'm not fussy about hairstyle, makeup, clothes, nails, and all of this shit. But when it comes to shoes, I'm not saying I'm fussy, but I like shoes. Even if I ain't wearing it, I just buy it. I just like shoes. Yeah, so I have a lot of slippers and shoes. So if you want to see a video of my shoes collection, and when I say shoes, I mean like sneakers and slippers overall, I have a lot of slippers, guys. Slippers that I haven't even worn. I bought 2 slippers in Christmas, in the December season, and I haven't worn any of them as yet. Yeah, I don't know. I think every outfit needs its own damn shoes. I don't know. Call me crazy. I don't know. But anyways, just tell me, leave a comment in the comment section below and let your girl know if you want to see my shoes collections and my nail polish collection, guys. Yeah, so those videos will be coming up. So I'll be doing a video, a review, of honest review, because as I said, I had the tablet from the 26th of December. I've been using it ever since then up until this current day. I've used it every day. I bring it everywhere. So I will give you my honest review on it, and also, so look out for that video, and also my shoes collection try on video. So I have 2 videos coming at you guys. So if you want to see those videos when I upload them, what you have to do is subscribe, and then you go ahead and click that bell icon that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So thank you guys. Bye. Say bye, Trey. Bye. Bye.